Check out this Ram 2019 3500 Laramie. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are: sport appearance package included, black interior accents, body color door handles, painted front bumper, body color grille, surround painted rear bumper, tires, LT 235/80R17 EBSWS, Laramie Level 1 equipment group included, remote tailgate release, auto high beam headlamp control, blind spot and cross path detection, power chrome tow mirrors with convex spotter and memory mirror mounted O reverse lamps, exterior mirrors with memory, power adjustable convex O mirrors, rain sensitive windshield wipers, power adjustable pedals with memory foam bottle insert, door trim panel, single disc remote CD player, second row and floor storage bins, radio, driver seat mirrors, pedals, memory ventilated front seats, LED bed lighting, transmission, 6-speed automatic AS69R.